Here's a pair of the JBL 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pairing connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG TV that has WEBos. So the first thing we're going to do is put these headphones into pairing mode. So these are currently off. Let me turn them on by the power button here. I'm going to wait for the light to turn on. Now I'll know that these are in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 just like this. So it's in pairing mode. If yours is not blinking blue, or if maybe it's a solid blue light, just go under here and you'll see a Bluetooth button. Tap it once and then look back up here and it should be blinking blue. So now we're in pairing mode. So now I want to shoot over to my LG TV. We're going to go to the settings. So click on the settings button on your remote. If you don't have that, just go to the home button, or click on the home button on your remote, go to the home screen here and navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. So we're going to move left and then we're going to go up. Oops, go left. Oop, go down now. Right there. And then it's all the settings are selected up there again. I'm going to select it again. Give it 1 second. You can see that it's loading right there. Now I'm going to go down one to sound right there, and I'm going to select on enter on the remote. Now from here I'm going to go down one to sound out. Currently the sound out is coming out of the TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of the headphones, so we're going to select sound out. Now we're going to go down to use wireless speaker, select that. Bluetooth device, select that. Now you see that spinny thing down there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So these are still in the pairing mode, but I mean, it already found it right there, the JBL 660. So just highlight it, go ahead and select it. Oh, I just heard a chime there, and if you look over there, we're connected. And we are connected and ready to go now. And you can see the volume rockers working there. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.